Domino theory has very little to do with dominoes, and even less to do with pizza. Instead, it deals with the spread of communism throughout the world. It was said that if one nation adopted communism, so too would nearby nations, one after the other after the other. While he never trademarked the term domino theory, President Dwight D. Eisenhower was the first person to use the analogy during a 1954 news conference. In a time when communism was seen in much of the West as an immense evil, the idea of country after country falling to the communists was terrifying to many Americans. Most fears centered around Southeast Asian countries like Vietnam, and domino theory provided a convenient reason for the United States to get involved in police actions in the region to prevent the spread of communism. Although maybe it'd be better if we solved our problems over a real game of dominoes instead.
Getting elected president is an expensive business. Campaign costs add up. There are advertisements to make, travel expenses, convention costs, even bumper stickers. But where does all this money come from?